Hello everyone, my name is Urvesh Thakkar and I am currently into second year computer engineering department at JSCOE, and in this video I'll share about my experience and what I've learned while I was doing internships in the cybersecurity domain at various organizations. So my very first internship was at Cybercrime Helpline LLP over as in position of cybersecurity intern, and I learned quite a lot over there. Apart from that, I had an internship at Information Sharing and Analysis Center, that is ISAC. And apart from that, I was also an intern with AICTE, that is All India Council for Technical Education, for the same cybersecurity. And I've done quite a lot of internships with many of these organizations in the cybersecurity field. And one thing that I would like to share from my own personal experience is that internships are not something that we consider as, not useful, but I consider internships as half job only, because internships are the only way where students can get real-time industry experience. They get to know about how the industry is working in real time, and it polishes the student before the student enters into the actual industry. And apart from that, internships helps the students to grow in that particular subject. For example, at Cybercrime Helpline, I was promoted as a full-time security researcher in the research and development wing. Then ISAC, that is Information Sharing and Analysis Center, provided me around their national certification scholarship for absolutely free. And I learned quite a lot at AICTE also. And all I was trying to say is that internships help me to grow and excel in my field and understand how I am supposed to work real time in the industry. So it's kind of an trailer of the actual picture that you'll go in and watch in the industry, and you learn a lot in those internships, that before entering into the actual industry, before entering into the actual market and working somewhere and finding your ideal job, it is important for you to quite gain a lot of experience, because apart from the academics that we study in our college, it is more important to gain the real time practical knowledge that we should have today, and the soft skills that we should have today, in able to to be ordered to enter into the market with a high reputed and a good package and a good salary. So this was all about my experience in the internships that I have gained. Thank you, and I hope that if you have watched the video, you'll get an idea that what internships help us to do.